everyone, welcome to this my YouTube channel and to solve the value of x. Solve the value of x solution. 7 power of x times 7 power of x times 7 power of x times 3 times over 7 power of x plus 7 power of x plus 7 power of x equal to 49. First of all, a is the power of m times a is the power of n equal to a is the power of m plus n, and a is the power of m plus a is the power of n equal to a is the power of m into 1 plus 1, then 7 the power of x plus m means this x and this x and plus k, this x plus x plus x over 7 into 7 power of x into 7 power of x divided 7 power of x 1 plus 7 power of x divide 7 power of x 1 plus and 7 power of x divide 7 power of x 1 equal to 49. 7 power of 3x over 7 power of x times 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 equal to 49. A is the power of m over a is the power of n equal to a is the power of m minus n. 7 power of 3x minus x over 3 equal to 49 over 1. By default, over 1 crisscross. 7 power of 3x minus x 2x over 3 equal to 49 over 1 crisscross. 7 power of 2x times 1 equal to 3 times 49. 7 power of 2x equal to 3 times 9, 3, 1, 4, 1. Next 7 power of 2x equal to 1, 4, 7. Okay, then both side log 7 power of 2x equal to log 147. Then log a b is equal to b log a by default to x log 7 equal to logarithm 147 means 7 times 7 times 3 log a times b equal to log a plus log b, log a plus log b, then 2x log 7 equal to log 7 plus log 7 plus log 3 divided to log 7 divided to log 7. This cancel to this, remains 2x equal to log 7 over log 7 log 7 plus log 7 over log 7 plus log 3 over log 7 then 2x equal to this cancel to this give us 1 plus this cancel to this give us 1 plus log 3 over log 7 2x equal to 1 plus 1 2 plus log 3 divided to log 3 no log 7 I mean log 7 log a over log b means log a is b log a, therefore 2x equal to 2 plus log 3 is 7 over 2 this cancel to this required x equal to 2 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 3 is 7 x equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 log 3 is 7. This is final answer. A final answer. Final answer. Then check it. When the answer is correct or no. Check it. The answer is correct or no. The first question 7 power of x times 7 power of x times 7 power of x over 7 power of x plus 7 power of x plus 7 power of x equal to 49. And check it. Check. Then this means 7 power of 3x over 3 times 7 power of x equal to 49. This means 7 power of 2x because this over 3 equal to 49. Then 7 power of 2 into the value of x give us the value of x 1 plus 1 over 2 log 3 in base 7 1 plus 1 over 2 log 3 is 7 over 3 equal to 49. Then a power of m plus n equal to a the power of m times a the power of n. That means 7 raised 2 times 1 times 7 2 times 1 over 2 log 3 PS3 PS7 PS7 equal to 49. Is it correct? Is that correct? That means this times over 3. No, over 3. This 3. Then this cancel to this. 7 raised log 3 PS 7 over 3 equal to 49. Okay. A log B is A and A similar. 7 and 7 similar. Give us B. Therefore, from this product 7 3. 7 raised to times 3 over 3 equal to 49. 49. This cancel to this. 7 raised to equal to 49. Yeah. 7 square equal to 49. Equal to 49. Therefore, answer would be correct. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.